Obinna, onye alakwa m gwa gị return no that motor. I think I tell you to make you return that motor. Just yesterday, I see you where you carry that very girl again. As you see me like so, I be married woman. I no want infection. I no want sickness. Before me and you start, I tell you. I say anything when me and you they do. I know what if you not say you go keep another girl elsewhere, make you forget about this relationship. You say you go feel manage with me. Now, like so you carry that motor when I buy for you, take the flagabas, they walk out, they do anyhow with that girl. That girl will not get control when I see so many places. You won't give me sickness.
Mommy, calm down. No be so. Mommy, you know say you don't marry. I still be young boy. That you will agree on something, say na the knacking. I did knock you where now. They give you what you want. I did they go down to that your quick cruise they do and where. You know say I be young boy. Tomorrow I go marry. Now make I dey follow them. No be say me and them they do anything serious. I just young boy they like to learn their attitude and all of that. Now make mommy no be say I dey shit on you, but I dey do you well. I need to do you well. Just calm down. Mommy, calm down. Biko no abeg.
Mechiano, and I think calm down. On to what level you are telling me to calm down? You dey tell me to make I calm down, say for waiting. Everything where you ask for me, they give you. Your maintenance, everything, your house rent, the motor I buy for you. Waiting again where you want from me. Where they go, they carry that girl when no get control. In front tell me say the girl self say you know they use condom for the girl. You won't give me infection. You they say you they do me well. Yes. You they do me well, and because of the doing well, I make I they keep this relationship. Because I don't confess to you, say my husband know they do me like you, and I make you come they carry me they play, I think. This kind of thing where they do now, waiting I know they like. I them I like you the year in them,
Mama, why they talk like this now? Why they talk like this? You want to annoy me like this, so? Why you go tell me say, oh, because he dey provide motor, they provide house for me now. Say I'm not supposed to live my life again. You ain't don't marry, so your husband they give you everything. Don't be the money your husband they give you, now they give me so. So you know if you allow me live my life. I they give you what you want. I they give you what you want. You they give me what I want. So now I live my life too. Sure? And you don't even get right to call the monitor me for that matter again. I go call to go pay somebody to monitor when I do have the sex somebody with a condom or I they use and raw. Mama, this way they talk. That annoy me. In fact, see, this is your motto, call collect them. Because what they try to tell me say now you get me now be this so. If now your motto, call collect them. So now they ask to call collect them. That's the way they always are not going to give you again. If now what you want to call collect, just call collect everything. You don't annoy me like this, so I know they expect this guy from you. Which can't be this one? I don't really respect yourself. You don't really embarrass me. Sure.
Smart thing when I tell you don't the para because you know say your Ekwu they sweet me and I make you come they talk like this. No be something we go come into agreement. I get one fine small girl where they secured where you go fit even as you they take am you go feel marry am. I be want if you marry make you know get my time again. Me I don't want to do here. And I just tell you something now you don't the wine. Because you know say I they enjoy the thing, they sweet me. I better take am easy, I beg, no be like that.